Ow!
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania.
Oh, dear. That's gay.
Southern Nelson County and South Central Pennsylvania. Northwestern Lancaster County and South Central Pennsylvania. Southern Lebanon County and South Central Pennsylvania. Northern York County and South Central Pennsylvania. Until 6:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Colonial Park to Lewisberry to Lake Mead, moving east at 15 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Skyline View in Middletown, Dover, Hershey and Weaglestown, Bay Bridge in Manchester, Palmyra and Campbelltown, Lon and York. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 240 and 273, Interstate 81 between mile markers 66 and 78, Interstate 83 between mile markers 18 and 50, Interstate 283. This will also impact the following major roads: the Harrisburg Airport Connector, State Highway 283.